Well, here we are up from the Fieldshot range, all the way up here. Where are we? Tamworth. Brought the young shots up here. There's a young shots everywhere. There's a sea of people. Absolutely brilliant range. One of the best ones I've been to, and it's done the old-fashioned way, so I like this. Here we go. Let's see if this young shot can drop this one. Right, are we ready? On your marks. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! You got it. Right, should we reset it again? You want to reset it? Say, yeah, I want to reset it. So, right, you ready? Right, you hold on down there like I showed you. Right, I'll tell you, ready now. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, you got it. Hey, good shot. Look at that. You. We're at the Fieldshot pistol range, and what's your name, young lady?
Shannon.
Shannon. Oh, I've got a daughter called Shannon, and here she is. She's about to nail the target. She's been shooting really well. So fire away when you're ready. Oh, good shots. Well done. Good shot. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to sign off on you guys. So, thumbs up for the old edge creeper. Come on, smile. Thumbs up. That's what I've got to say. There you go. Archie, how you doing? Are you going? Hello, Archie. Here we are, and there he is. You're doing shooting, and you're the first young shot member. Hey, there you go.
I just shooting.
Yeah, and you got spina bifida, and you're still doing it. That's excellent. That's what we like to see, isn't it? Hey, Archie, give old Rob a thumbs up. Give the old edge creeper a thumbs up. Yeah, proper job, mucker. Bye, Archie.